secrets of speaking English well. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to speak English well. Today I'm going to talk about the secrets of speaking good English. If you want to speak good English, there are several things you must do. You must keep on practicing. You must keep on working hard. You must keep on making mistakes, and you must keep on losing faith. You know you learn to speak only by speaking. So the most important key to speaking English well is speaking. Speak as loudly as possible. Speak as clearly as possible. And speak as quickly as possible. The more you speak, the better your English will be. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. They are the secrets of speaking English well. Everyone can make it. Everyone can make it. Everyone can be an English speaking genius. Thank you for coming.